Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see a lock that I received from APACHE-LOCKSPORT quite a while back. So John, thank you very much for this lock. And I want to show it to you because it's such an enjoyable pick. From the lock, it's a 6-pin oval shaped cylinder, half of the full lock. Very wide open keyway, and it has great tolerances. And you need to be really careful when setting the spools, for example. And all this together makes it a very enjoyable pick. There are no markings on the lock itself, but on the key you can read Talon, and you can also see this interesting logo. And John wrote that it's an INGERSOLL-RAND lock, and I asked on the lockpicking forum, and someone came up with this picture of a lock box, and here you can see that it's the same logo. It's an INGERSOLL-RAND brand, and this Ingersoll has nothing to do with the other Ingersoll company, which makes these high security wafer locks. So if someone knows or has an idea what this logo could represent, please let me know. Alright, so now let me put it in a vise and pick it for you. So here's the lock clamped in a vise. I guess again that's the bidding. Pretty nice bidding, lots of ups and downs. Works and is locked up. I use a Peterson thick pry bar to tension it from the pin side, protect the open side here, and use a Peterson hook number 4 to pick it. So now let the fun begin. I just go by feeling, pick the pins that feel binding. And stop when it clicks. Yeah, very nice. I'm searching for a spool that gives the most feedback. Touched 6 and the 4 set increased. There's only one spool, about 5 or 4. Yeah, it's 5. Let's see if I can get it set. Something was set, but maybe overset, or I lost other pins. Let's see. Yeah. Came back. Let's check again. And it's open. Yeah, very nice. Alright, so you can have different states depending on the tension you apply on the plug. And as I said, it's a really enjoyable pick where you can play with the lock for hours. But now I want to see what's inside. Really curious. I lock it back up. That's easier for me to get the clip off. Oh, I didn't lock it. I turned it at 180 degree. So like so. Oh, I need a pinning tray, just a second. And I need a follower. So it should be fine. Okay. Let me change the camera setup to get a better angle. Alright. 1 is standard, 2 is standard, 3 is standard, 4 is standard, 5 is standard, and 6 is standard. Very nice shiny key pins, all standard. Let's have a look at the plug. Perfectly round, very smooth. Chambers are also smooth. Nothing special here, but looks like a really well made lock. Really like that. Cool. So now the drivers. That's slightly serrated in number 1. Oops, and a spool. And another serrated. Oh no, it's yeah, it's a serrated. I will have a closer look just in a moment. Last one is a spool. Get all the springs out. Okay, so that's what we have in this lock. Key pins are all standard. We have serrated in 1, spool, serrated, spool, spool, spool. Very, very well made lock, very nice pins. Springs are steel, nothing special. But as I said, it's a really fun lock to pick. I want to quickly reassemble the plug to see the effectiveness of the spools. Okay, we can see serration in 1 is effective, the spool in 2 is not really effective, serration in 3 is effective, spool in 3 is a little bit spoolish, but not really. Then we have 2 effective spools in 5 and 6. Alright, now that's really it. APACHE-LOCKSPORT, thank you very much for this fantastic lock. Had a really great time picking it. Yeah, I will reassemble it, and I really don't know if I will send it along to someone else, because maybe it will stay in my collection as it is, so I definitely will not make a challenge lock out of it, because yeah, the way it is, it's perfect. And yeah, if anybody knows about this symbol here, about this logo, please let me know. Alright, thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.